Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce anxiety and speed up your weight loss, okay? And this is with a wonderful, easy herb that's going to do it for you. It has so many wonderful benefits, and I'll explain it a little bit more in the video. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and set your notifications to all so you will not miss another one of these awesome videos, okay? So now, without further ado, let's start this video. Alright, you guys, so let's get started. Now, what you're going to need is a small pot, okay? You're also going to need, we're going to be using some wonderful herbs today, and this is with our rosemary. Rosemary contains compounds that benefit your heart and digestive health and supports weight loss. It also even helps treat hair loss. Rosemary is full of antioxidants, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants prevent free radical damage and lower your blood sugar levels. Awesome benefits. We're also going to be using about 1 inch of ginger root, our organic honey, lemon, and a cup of water. Okay, so we're going to start this off right now by adding our water into our pot for boiling. And in that water, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of our rosemary. Okay, dried rosemary is best, not the ones that's not the full herb. The dry. Okay, now we're going to take our ginger root and we're just going to grate that inside of our pot. Oops. Yeah. And we're just going to let this boil on a very low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. And what I like to do is I like to cover my pot just to keep the steam in, okay? So when that finished boiling, we'll be right back. So now that our tea is finished boiling, we're just going to turn off the burner. Alright, take it off the hot flame and just let it steep, cool for a little bit before proceeding. So I will be right back. Okay, so what we're going to need now is our strainer. I'm going to strain that into our cup. I actually ended up adding in a little bit more water to make it a full teacup full. Okay. Next we're going to take our lemon and we're going to juice half a lemon inside of that as well. And then lastly, we're going to sweeten it with our honey. Okay, about 1 teaspoon is fine. And there you have it, you guys. This awesome, powerful weight loss tea. This is what's going to speed up your metabolism and help you to get rid of that weight really fast. It's also going to help you with anxiety. So you will not be stressing out as much. Okay. All right. So you drink this in the morning. On an empty stomach. You can also drink this again later on in the afternoon. This is a drink that you can drink 2 to 3 times for the day. All right. So 2 to 3 times for the day, and I tell you, you will start to see your body coming down. This is a wonderful tea to incorporate into your arsenal of detox teas. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button as well as that bell. Turn the notifications on to all. And also check down below for these wonderful herbs and spices in my eBay store, as well as for the personal and full-size blender and the metal straws, okay? And also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, beauty care, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more, okay? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget, your auntie and big sis loves you, and I will see you again in the next wonderful video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.